Here we go. It's working now.
Nothing's breathe.
You guys ready?
All right, boys. Hit a paddle.
Nice. We're going this way.
All my YouTube followers, we're out here in the winter doing some camping. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's do this.
It's a little fire spot. Trying to get a nice bench for the fire. Almost there. Here we go. I thought that was it. Oh no. The other tree's holding on to it. Oh god. Yeah, it's going. Nice. Great job. Alright, it's freezing out. We're trying to get a fire going. This is our little bench we had set up.
Where's it going? We're good. I'm gonna grab those bigger branches, just throw it on top.
Yep. Yeah, no, yeah. There we go. There's our bench. Little snow bowl. That's our pile of wood to stay warm for the night. Yeah. It's pitch black, white out, heavy winds. It's kind of calm right here. Oh, thank God there's a sign. We're getting close to the base. Oh, fuck. Oh, I feel much better knowing We're getting closer. Wow. It is pitch black. Whew. The snow is heavy. There are big snow drifts. Oh yeah. Here's Stu.
Little gear test.
Yeah, just a little gear test.
Walk in the woods.
Thank God to these guys. Gotta watch the slope. It's a little sketchy. That's Stu over there. Wow, this is insane. I know there's absolutely none, and they're all pressed down. Let's hope there's no bear inside here because I can't see anything. It's here creaking woods. Kind of creepy. Wow, this is insane. Snow gets heavy over here. We reached the bottom. Is that tree going over?
Huh?
You said that tree's going over?
This one right here.
Yeah.
So let's just get through this part this way.
That tree's about to fall. Goodbye. Oh, you see a track? We got some recent tracks right here. Oh, you hear that? Yeah, something's in there. I just heard a little, I don't even know how to describe it.
What happened? 30
He's-
minutes away?
Yeah.
Now my defense is probably like 2 minutes away.
Oh.
The bag, drop the bag,
Hey, Bear, give me a second. I gotta get my gun out. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep walking. Just one foot in front of the other.
Does anybody have their piece accessible? Just in case?
Yes, I do.
They do, good.
Yeah, I have mine right in my right pocket. I got you guys.
I set up before, but,
Yeah, it's too bad that the screw fell, but I mean, that stuff happens. Whoa, what is this? Is that a Bigfoot or is that?
weird how close together they are. It could be more like it.
Yeah, like, is that a moose?
Is that where I took a piss?
Oh, maybe. Because it kind of has a foot shape, but.
Well, I thought it was further up.
These things are lifesavers in the middle of the night. Stu was smart enough to put them on.
I can't believe you guys are gonna make me do the walk of shame of REI.
Yeah.
That's
No. Yeah, we left. Yeah, I mean, I feel like if I wasn't, like, I feel okay now, right? If I yeah, if
Dude, it was getting dark and the tent wasn't set up. We didn't have the fire going.
yeah, it's just, I think it was just yeah, and also like I had too much weight and I decided to sled it up, and carrying it was impossible. Yeah, no, I agree. I think, I mean, with the same conditions, if it was closer by, flat land, and we had everything set up, it would have been a much different situation.
They don't really have like good campsites like set up either.
Yeah, exactly.
Like even if it was kind of like, okay, camp number 1 up here.
Yeah.
You know, there's a nice trail going up, and then you get there, it's a nice flat area.
Yeah, this is like straight up wilderness. Yeah. You got it. Okay. It's so tough to see how, like, the snow and the wind right now, but it's pretty crazy. How you doing, Stu?
pretty good. About to pop one of these cone heads.
Oh yeah.
Like, and they were totally wet before, and now they're dry because I have a hand warmer in there.
Oh, nice. I didn't have a chance to use any hand warmers.
The hand looks like it's doing alright.
Yeah, no, it's definitely doing fine. Yeah, it's actually it's black now, but it holds the camera very nicely. It's very steady.
There you go. New camera mount.
I feel like this is like the road that never ends.
There's so much stuff in my bag.
Do you want to throw your bag on mine?
No. I'm just thinking that it's kind of nice. I didn't have to unpack it. I don't have to repack it.
Oh, nice.
Pretty much ready for the next trip, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's leave the food in there. It'll be good to go.
Wow.
Oh, sorry, Tom.
That's all right. No worries. Almost
What am I hitting up against there?
a rock.
You know, Tom over there. No big deal. No big deal.
You going the right way, Bruno?
I hope so.
It's like, are we going the right way?
Yeah, I think we are. What's that? Yeah, this is like the main. I can't even see. There's the bridge. Wow. Oh, this is insane. Yeah.
I'm not going to do it ahead of time, though. I still don't know what's going to happen. The bridge could collapse.
Yeah, exactly. We're safe. Jinx. Alright. Got my old light out. Warrior 3. I think it's amazing. Never know. Yeah, I know, it really is. There's exactly. I literally had this just in case. It was like just in case I could. Yes. Holy shit. Wow, what? What's that? Yeah, I did. Glad I didn't open my eyes. Wow. Just trying to get the getting back to the car scene. Wow. Oh. Yeah, this is a blizzard. Yeah, we didn't. I mean,
Find out until we get back.
yeah, I know. Well, thanks
Might
to.
be a missing pocket knife. But I'm sure 7-year-old.
Yeah, Stu lost his pocket knife this morning, so.
That's probably one of the reasons
Yeah, well, it's important though. Like, it's definitely an important piece. So. Yeah. So yeah, I think there's some lessons to be learned, and I gotta get in better shape. I thought lifting at the gym was enough, but not. Doesn't get used to these conditions. Wow. Just hope we can get home all right. We'll just camp in your car at this point. Yeah, just low as possible. Insane. Oh, that wind chill is real.
Yeah, these are Arctic-like conditions for sure.
Yep.
Hey, boys.
There we go.
Go ahead. I'm just in back in case any splits.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Is that a lake?
Yeah, I think so. Must be.
Oh, wait, no. It's a farm.
Oh, okay.
Should do a drive on our
Nuts. Oh,
You guys
this is the parking lot. Yeah, it's the fence. The fence that says no parking. Yeah, I see a car right there.
Yeah, it's way up there, right?
Yeah, you see that flashing light? Oh shit. Excuse my language.
goggles on?
They're frozen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I can't even see through them.
When I put mine on top of my head, it got all evaporated. I didn't have anything to wipe it with.
Yeah, I tried. I mean, you can like puff into it and it'll melt it, but then it just freezes right back immediately.
They were pretty good until I put them on my head.
Yeah, exactly. I think they're really just meant to stay on the whole time.
Remind me to get your gun back out of my backpack.
Oh yeah, that's important.
Going back to the house.
What do you think that is right now? 30 miles per hour, 35?
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.
live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed.